We've always known the pigeon had a good internal compass, and now we have the brain cells to prove it. Scientists at Baylor College of Medicine have discovered 53 neuron cells in the small bird's brain, each with its own characteristic response to the Earth's magnetic field that may actually make up a biological GPS system. The combined data of each neuron's reaction to its north-south and up-down orientation gives the pigeon not only an accurate compass heading, but may also give it coordinates on a mental map. Researchers concede that these navigational neurons may not be the only mechanisms the bird uses to get home. They're also looking for clues in its ears, eyes, and beak.
Now, there's a new paper in Science by two researchers who are at Baylor School of Medicine in Texas. This is Li-Ching Wu and David Dixon, and they have taken pigeons and they have initially exposed them to a very big changing magnetic field, reasoning that if we expose them to a changing magnetic field, any bits of the brain that are sensitive to magnetism should become more active. And they then go poking around and look in the brain for cells that have shown expression of a gene called C-FOS, which is turned on in neural cells that become active. They found, by doing this experiment, 4 key bits of the brain that lit up as soon as they did this, and 2 of them include the hippocampus and also a region called the vestibular nuclei, both of which are concerned with spatial orientation and also balance and keeping yourself upright. And that seemed to chime very closely with the hypothesis. So they then did another experiment where they take a set of 7 pigeons, put them in a magnetic field which cancels out the Earth's magnetic field and then enables the researchers to apply their own magnetic field, and they recorded electrically from the vestibular region in the brain stems of these pigeons. And what they found is that there are nerve cells there which, when you change the magnetic field in certain directions, respond, and in other directions the cells don't respond. So it's like the cells have a tuning curve of response, and they can do this in all 3 dimensions, which shows that these birds are able to respond to the magnetic field in all 3 dimensions, probably using it like a sort of cognitive compass. Exactly what they're using to actually pick up the magnetic field in the first place they still don't know, but they've clearly shown they've got these nerve cells which are responding to changing magnetic fields. So these birds really are navigating magnetically.